Vitaraga bhaya krodha sthita dir munir ukyate. In this shloka, Lord Krishna explains that a person who is free from the egoistic sense of owning material wealth, fear and anger attains the state of liberation. But it took me some time to understand this concept that material is not all that matters. Because see, when we go back in some time, I saw that my friends had prospered, and as my friends prospered, I saw that they were prospering so much that I could start desiring what they had. I was always thinking on what I could acquire next. My desire for material possessions started to grow day by day, week by week. But the biggest change that occurred was that a person who was once content with simple joys every day with my friends now had always revolved around the latest technology, latest gadgets, latest fashion trends. You see what materialism has brought us down to. The thing to understand is that I was once so happy, but materialism made me selfish. I was always thinking on what I could acquire next, which gadget I can purchase next. Let's take a relatable example. You walk into a birthday party and you see your friend wearing the latest Air Jordans. And you think that, wow, his life is like a Netflix original while I am stuck in a low budget YouTube blog. Don't we think like that sometimes? But let me tell you, these comparisons are meaningless, worthless. They are annoying like those Spotify ads that we hear every single day, right? We see that we are being judged by our clothing, our gadgets, our wealth, our house, our cars. What has humanity come down to, especially in teens? This materialism is increasing, and this materialism is affecting lives. How so? Remember the COVID-19 pandemic? I call it the golden time because that's when people realized that commodities were not all that mattered. Family mattered, friends matter. A family which would sit in different rooms because they had different choices of what to watch while eating had now started sitting together to have dinner as a family without any gadgets, talking about what is happening to the world outside. But we must understand that these days possessions are being prioritized and people are being reduced to mere commodities. See, COVID shifted our perspective. Remember that zest for life that we achieved while COVID was all around the world. Remember that time, that golden period, that's why I like to call it. But let's look at it like another direction. Sometimes we feel like a house of cards in this materialistic race, that a materialistic gush of wind will come and we will be shattered. But you must understand that there is a light in you. There's a spark in you. You have to ignite and you have to keep this materialism aside. Throw it away because what really matters is family, friends, cherishing the little memories, especially the memories, for example, that we create at Anon. Those beautiful moments when we walk in here, we see smiling faces everywhere. We forget all about our materials. And what do we cherish? Those memories, those experiences, those fun moments. So remember, be kind, creative, a person who lifts others up, not the one who always revolves around their gadgets. So stay creative, be kind, always cherish the memories and enjoy new experiences in life. And well, this was my take on materialism. So remember, the next time that somebody tries to show off their materials and says, मेरे पास पैसा है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? You say, मेरे पास मेरा परिवार और मेरी Anon family है. Thank you.